welcome back to Jared Aviation, and today I am on a 777-300ER heading to Zurich, Switzerland, and I'm going to take you along with me, so I'm going to have some videos for you guys to watch. As I said before, I'm on a 777-300ER. It's like almost dark outside because it's like 7 or 8 o'clock. The dinner hasn't come yet. I'm watching a movie right now. And dinner just went fast, and we're gonna get it very soon. Flight's been pretty smooth with some turbulence, and I'm gonna update you with the dinner very soon. Alright, and dinner is served. I got some pasta, which is pretty good. Water, cold water. Some forks and knives. A brownie. A salad, butter. And then we have bread for you. The pasta is pretty good. It's darkening outside. You can see the light on the hotel. Yeah, it's really kind of dark now. I have this thing to help me keep track of where we are, and it says that our altitude right now is altitude right now is 10,668 meters. Yeah. So I'm gonna see you after I finish. And I finished. It was pretty good. But like the salad was way too salty. Brownie was really good. The cold water, I appreciate that. And this pasta was really good. Yeah. I was just watching Harry Potter still, and it is completely night outside. And yeah, and I'll update you in the morning. So at Air Canada, you get a nice big in-flight entertainment screen. I find it very nice, like this moving map. It's really nice, and I'll just show you some things about it. So you can click X to leave. So you have watch and listen, Air Canada, Kids Corner, eat and drink, communicate, moving map, play, and shop. And over there, if I click that button, there will be travel. So if you want to entertain yourself, you got a lot of choices, more than enough. I think it's really nice. And I'm going to go to bed since it's like 8, and our flight arrives at like 7 in the morning, so I want to get my sleep, and see you in the morning. So as you know, we are in Lake Zurich right now, and we are on the boat called the Albus. The front of the ship is right there. You can see Switzerland and the buildings, very interesting buildings, but this is a 1.5 hour cruise. And it stops around like Lake Zurich. There's also one you can take on another boat. It's 7 or 8 hours. It goes around all the way, all of Lake Zurich. But I think 8 hours is a little too much. You'll be very bored. And as you can see, people went up to get jackets, because they brought jackets, because it was pretty windy, and wind makes it cold. It was windy, not because it was windy, because he was going really fast. I appreciate that though, because I don't want to spend 3 hours in Lake Zurich if he just goes slow. So I think that going fast might be a good thing to me, and also it's cold. So This is actually on the top deck. There's 2 stories. The bottom deck has another platform. You can order like a sundae. I've seen people order a sundae. There's like a beverage right there. And in front of you, you have the mountains, some mountain ranges, not the Matterhorn range. Okay, now as you can see, I'm docking. So this is how we went out. We went one propeller full speed, and now there's both one propeller to go one way, and then both propellers to lead us out. So that's why I filmed this part. You can see we're going pretty fast. Yeah, and that's all I filmed for Lake Zurich. Now, just watch on for the next part of this video. Hey guys, now I am at Lucerne, and I'm just gonna give you a hotel tour. So let's start off in the kitchen. So we have a nice big kitchen, a table for seating of 6, a nice big window, a tree and a fan for cooling down the house or apartment. You got a big balcony here, electric stove, a sink, and the microwave. And this is the refrigerator. Now that you've seen the kitchen, we can go on down. The bathroom is nice, the big open shower, a sink, and a toilet. Now here's the first bedroom. You got a nice big couch, a smaller chair, a coffee table, another chair, and over here you got a big TV with some storage. Now over here is the bed. You've got 2 blankets. Those are towels for like drying you off after the shower, pillows, and another balcony or veranda with a better view. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you the closet. Very interesting. They have this old-fashioned key. I find very, very interesting. Really cool. Closet inside. Now I'm gonna show you what's behind this door. Now inside that door was another bedroom with a single bed, a nice place where you can put your water, if you glasses if you have some. Here you have the plug, light switches, and a closet. Now here as another 2 bed with 2 blankets, some towels again, and 2 pillows. And another place with a lamp, another fan, and this time just a window. So this room is a little smaller than the other, but I think it's pretty nice actually. And it has these really nice paintings of these flowers. Now that was day 1 and 2 of my days to Switzerland. Now make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.